chestnut horse. Horses are so beautiful, you know that's true, of course. So brown's beautiful, and I'm beautiful, as beautiful as can be. I love my skin, love my brown skin, dark brown, that's the color of me.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be learning with Elmo's tub fizzy colors. Here's how it looks. This one looks like purple, but it's actually red. So I'm gonna start. So let's see what this makes. Blue and purple. It looks like it's making pink. Wow. Yellow and purple. What does that make? It looks like pink. Let me see. Yep. From here it looks like red too, so open this up. And yellow and blue. See what that makes. Looks like a really light green. Yep, it's green. So, open it.
A few minutes later.
We do yellow. I think all of them are still fizzing right now. I can't really see in purple, but yeah, it looks like this one does fizzing, this one's still fizzing, this one, all of these are still fizzing. I can't see what's in purple, so. They're getting smaller. This is purple. It turned out to be purple. This turned out to be red. This turned out to be green. This turned out to be blue. This turned out to be pink. And this turned out to be yellow. Now we're going to be mixing it together. Alright. So purple. See? Purple right here. We're gonna go with red now. Oh. On my porch. Guys, this literally smells like pop, literally. Oh, it's starting to look just like purple, so I literally think I should have never did purple first, but it's starting to look black. Literally black. It doesn't even look like purple. No. That was close. And the last one will be yellow. Oh. So guys, this turned out to be black. It looked like purple, but now it's black. Please subscribe below and comment down below if you like this video. Hit the like button too. Bye.